Hey, what's going on everyone? Asus Zenfone 8 and Zenfone 8 Flip alleged specifications and render have been leaked on the internet. So in this video, we will talk everything we know so far about the upcoming Asus Zenfone 8 and Zenfone 8 Flip, like the launch date, detailed specifications, etc. For your better understanding, we would recommend you to watch this video till the end. My name is Sovik and welcome to Phone Politics. Let's get started. Before we jump right into the video, if you're still not subscribed to Phone Politics, make sure you hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to get all the notifications about our upcoming videos. As per a report, Asus Zenfone 8 Flip will come equipped with the rear flip camera design like Asus 6Z that swivels to become the front camera. Furthermore, the renders of the Asus Zenfone 8 have also been leaked. These show that the model will come equipped with a dual rear camera setup and a hole punch design. As per tipster Isan Agarwal, Asus is expected to keep its motorized swivel camera mechanism alive on Zenfone 8 Flip. Previously, the Zenfone 7 and the Zenfone 6Z had the same design. There is a set of cameras which are placed in a mechanical module that primarily works as a rear camera. The mechanical module flips and the rear camera setup can be used for video calling and capture selfies. The flip camera mechanism also allows the OEM to pack an edge-to-edge display with no hole punch cutout or notch. The report suggests that the Zenfone 8 Flip will come in two color options and a blue colored power button. Coming to Asus Zenfone 8, the smartphone's renders show that it packs a dual rear camera setup and a hole punch cutout on the top left corner of the screen. It is also expected to be offered in two color options and may come with a colored power button. Asus Zenfone 8 may also be the mini version because the latest renders are in the line with the ones leaked earlier this week. Now let's talk about the expected specifications of Asus Zenfone 8 Flip and Asus Zenfone 8. Asus Zenfone 8 Flip is expected to feature a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate. The phone is claimed to come equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Previous reports have also claimed that the smartphones in Asus Zenfone series will be powered by the flagship Snapdragon SoC. The motorized triple camera module in Asus Zenfone 8 Flip is expected to house a 64MP primary sensor, an 8MP telephoto lens and 12MP macro sensor. It may support 8K video recording. The handset may also come with 5000 mAh battery with 30W fast charging support. As per the report, the phone weighs only around 230 grams. On the other hand, Asus Zenfone 8 is expected to sport a 5.92-inch Full HD Plus display. A previous leak suggested that the phone will have a display with 120Hz refresh rate. Just like the Zenfone 8 Flip, the model is also expected to be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC paired with 8GB of RAM and 120GB of storage. Asus Zenfone 8 is expected to pack a dual rear camera setup with 64MP primary sensor and 12MP macro sensor. The phone will also have a 8K video recording option. The smartphones may pack a 4000 mAh battery with 30W fast charging. The report says that the smartphone will feature a 3.5mm headphone jack and weighs around 170 grams. A recent report suggested that Asus may also launch the Zenfone 8 Pro in India. There is no clarity on the numbers of models in the series, which is scheduled to launch on May 12 at 10:30 PM IST. The official microsite hints that the phone will be launched in Berlin, New York and Taipei. It is possible that the Taiwanese company may also have a separate launch event planned for India. So that is everything we know so far about the Asus Zenfone 8 series. Please let us know what do you think about this phone in the comment section below. If you really find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button and please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. Also follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. The links are in the description. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.